Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. So in the deeper studies today, I'm going to be doing Suratul Mulk ayat number 29. Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Ayat number 29 is Kul huwa rahmanu amanna bihi wa alayhi tawakkalna. Fasata'lamuna man huwa fi zalalin mubin. So let's look at the translation first. Say, O Prophet, He is the Lord of mercy, He is Ar-Rahman. We believe in Him and in Him alone we trust. You will soon come to know who is clearly astray or misguided. So Allah is Ar-Rahman. In the previous ayah, we saw that the Prophet ﷺ told the disbelievers that if Allah decides to take away the Prophet and his companions, that was what those disbelievers wanted, or have mercy upon them, then the disbelievers will have no refuge from the punishment. So in this ayah, the disbelievers are told by the Prophet ﷺ that we believe in Allah who is Ar-Rahman. So this is basically this name of Allah has been used to show that He is the most merciful. It is out of His mercy that He will not destroy us because we believe in Him, and that was what they wanted. And then if in Allah alone we believe. So the word sequence is changed here from normal sequence. This is to put emphasis on the fact that in Allah alone we put our trust. So we believe in Allah. That means and we believe in other things as well, like we believe in the day of judgment, we believe in the angels, in the books, in the prophets. But in Allah alone, the emphasis is made that in Allah alone we put our trust. So trust is something that we put only in Allah, no one else. There is no one else but Him. Allah's mercy to warn us. Allah is Ar-Rahman. It is His mercy that He warned us in the Quran and also in the previous scriptures about Judgment Day and the reward and punishment. Had we not known, then it would have been something that would come as a surprise and we would not have prepared for it. So it is out of the mercy of Allah that He warned us about the punishment, and also He told us, gave good news to us about the reward, so that we can lead our life according to that. The disbelievers will soon come to know. Disbelievers who mock the Muslims, who mock the Prophet ﷺ, will soon come to know who was clearly misguided and who was on the right path. And same for the believers, that they will soon come to know that they were on the right path, and all the sacrifices that they made, all the things that they left just because Allah had stopped them from doing that, and just all the mockery that they took just because, and the patience that they adopted, they were on the right path, and soon the disbelievers will come to know that they were not on the right path. So this was ayah number 29. Kul huwa rahmanu amanna. Tell them, O Prophet, that on Ar-Rahman, we believe in Ar-Rahman, bihi wa alayhi tawakkalna, and on Him alone tawakkalna, we put our trust. So we believe in Ar-Rahman and we put our trust only in Him. Fasata'lamuna man huwa fi zalali mubin, and these the disbelievers, they are in a clearly they will soon come to know that they were on the wrong path. Inshallah, tomorrow we will do the last ayah of this surah, completing Suratul Mulk, and inshallah the next 2 days after that I will be revising it 15 ayahs each day, so that the surah we are able to understand it clearly. Inshallah, that's the goal. So that's all for today. Fi amanillah.